People on the beach suddenly noticed that the seawater was retreating rapidly, clearly an ominous sign. Sure enough, in the very next second, someone spotted a massive tsunami heading toward the city, but what they didn't realize yet was that the tsunami was carrying with it tens of thousands of zombies. Where did so many zombies come from? It all began months ago on a small island, where a vial of biochemical reagent was accidentally leaked, causing a poisonous white mist to spread rapidly. Tens of thousands of lab employees fled in a panic because anyone infected would instantly turn into a zombie. The crowd surged toward the helicopters, hoping their boss would take them with him. But the boss had already decided to abandon everyone. Carrying the research results, he boarded the helicopter, put on a gas mask, and the aircraft rose into the air. Driven by sheer survival instinct, some people clung desperately to the bottom of the helicopter, willing to risk everything just to escape. But as the helicopter swayed in flight, some lost their grip and were instantly smashed into pulp upon hitting the ground. Seeing that the others couldn't be shaken off, the boss opened a case, and despite their desperate pleas, he poured out the red virus. The employees who inhaled it mutated instantly and fell from the aircraft. Just like that, the boss escaped alone, leaving tens of thousands of zombies trapped on the island. At first, people thought the vast ocean would keep them confined, but driven by extreme hunger, the zombies gradually began to swim. After months of drifting, they actually reached the city's coastline. Two fishermen, upon seeing the sea teeming with zombies, immediately turned around to report it. But when they looked back, they were horrified to find a massive tide of corpses behind them, so dense it was bone-chilling. Terrified, they sped up, but the rising waters overwhelmed them, eventually swallowing their small boat whole. Only then did the people on the shore realize what was happening. The waves were full of zombies, tens of thousands of them. The city was instantly submerged, but after the water receded, people were horrified to discover that the true disaster was just beginning.